Here's a basic new Unreal project with 2 static mesh actors and a skeletal mesh actor. To attach one of these hats to the gnome, I'm going to first make an actor blueprint. So right-click in the content browser and select Blueprint and select Actor. Double-click on the blueprint to open it. In our components list, add a skeletal mesh and a static mesh. Make sure the static mesh is a child of the skeletal mesh component by dragging and dropping it. In the skeletal mesh details, let's set our skeletal mesh asset to our gnome's skeletal mesh. And in the static mesh details, set the static mesh to our hat. And set the parent socket to the head or neck of the gnome's skeleton. It knows this because it's a child of the gnome. Resize and reposition the hat as needed. Update the material for the static mesh. After you're satisfied with the position and size of the static mesh, hit save and compile and you can exit this window. Now let's animate both versions of this gnome. Drag out an instance of this new blueprint and make a new sequence. Add a camera to our sequence and position it. Add the original gnome and the new gnome blueprint to our sequence. Let's add their transform markers, and finally we will add the attack animation to both of them. And when we play it, we can see the hat is moving with the animation how we want. And if we ever want to change the hat, just go back to the original blueprint file and update the static mesh and the material. Resize, reposition, and recompile. Now we see the updated hat in the sequence. And of course, to render this scene, just click the icon here and hit render. To get this option, make sure you have render queue enabled. When it completes rendering, your output will be stored in this folder of your Unreal project. And lastly, to make this a video, open a video editor. I'm using DaVinci. Here I'm adding a new timeline and I'm going to import media. Then I'm going to select all the sequence images from the render folder and add them to the timeline. Thanks for watching.